Now sixth question of exercise 13.3. There are three coins. One is a two-headed coin having head on both faces. Another is a biased coin that comes up head 75% time. And third is an unbiased coin. One of the three coins is chosen at random and tossed. It shows heads. What is the probability that it was the two-headed coin? Now there are three coins. One is two-headed coin. It has heads on both the faces. Second is biased coin. Now what is biased coin? First let me explain you unbiased coin. If we toss a coin, then either head will come or tail will come. And head और tail आने के chances equally likely हैं. Head भी आ सकता है, tail भी आ सकता है. But here in the statement it is written कि एक ऐसा कॉइन है जिसमें हेड आने के चांसेस 75% टाइम है. इट मीन्स हेड आने के चांसेस ज़्यादा हैं, टेल आने के चांसेस 25% हो गए. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड ए बायस्ड कॉइन. दैट कॉइन इज बायस्ड टुवर्ड्स हेड. उसमें हेड आने के चांसेस हैं, तो वो कॉइन आपका बायस्ड कॉइन कहलाता है. सो थ्री कॉइन्स में वन इज टू हेडेड कॉइन जिसमें दोनों तरफ हेड है. एक कॉइन है जो बायस्ड है जिसमें हेड आने के चांसेस 75% है. और तीसरा कॉइन है दैट इज अनबायस्ड कॉइन, उसमें हेड और टेल आने के चांसेस इक्वली लाइकली है. वन ऑफ द थ्री कॉइन्स इज चूजन एट रैंडम एंड टॉस्ड. इट शोज हेड्स. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट इट वाज द टू हेडेड कॉइन? नाउ एक कॉइन चूज किया गया, उसको टॉस किया गया और उसमें हेड आया, तो हमने प्रोबेबिलिटी बतानी है कि ये जो कॉइन है वो टू हेडेड कॉइन है. नाउ let E1 be the event that coin is two-headed. Let E2 be the event that coin is biased. Let E3 be the event that coin is unbiased. So we have three coins. E1 हमने ले लिया two-headed coin, E2 ले लिया जो कि एक biased coin है, E3 ले लिया जो कि एक unbiased coin है. So probability of E1 is 1/3, probability of E2 is 1/3, probability of E3 is 1/3. Let A be the event that coin shows head. Let A be the event that coin shows head. Probability of A given E1. Now what does it mean? Probability of A given E1. That means probability coin shows head given that coin is two-headed. अब coin क्या शो कर रहा है? हेड शो कर रहा है और हमारे पास टू हेडेड कॉइन है तो हेड ही आना है, तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी हम वन लेंगे. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी कॉइन शोज हेड गिवन दैट कॉइन इज टू हेडेड, सो इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी वन ही होगी क्योंकि कॉइन के ऊपर हेड आया और ये है ही टू हेडेड कॉइन है, हेड नहीं ही आना है, कोई और पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. सो दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी इज वन. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए गिवन E2. What does it mean? It means probability coin shows head and given that coin is biased. So coin shows head and it is biased. So that is 75%. So probability हो जाएगी इसकी 75/100. Cut the numbers, you will have 3/4. So probability of A given E3. It means probability coin shows head given that coin is unbiased. Head आने की जो उसकी probability है that is half, 1/2. So that is equal to 1/2. So probability of A given E1 is 1, probability of A given E2 is 3/4, probability of A given E3 is 1/2. Now probability of E1 is equal to probability of E2 is equal to probability of E3, that is equal to 1/3. And probability of A given E1 is 1, probability of A given E2 is 3/4, probability of A given E3 is 1/2. Probability of E1 given A. It means probability coin is two-headed given coin shows head. We are to find the probability that coin is two-headed and given what is given? Coin shows head. So write the formula. So this is equal to probability of E1, probability of A given E1 upon probability of E1, probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2, probability of A given E2 plus probability of E3, probability of A given E3. Substitute the values. 1 by 3 into 1 upon 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. 1 by 3 upon 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3 upon, take the LCM, 4 plus 3 plus 2, 1 by 3 into 12 by 9. This cut the numbers, you will have 4 by 9. So probability, the coin is two-headed and the coin shows head is equal to 4 by 9.